sudden 4 guys appeared out of the darkness, 2 of them carrying AK-47s. What are we doing? Whoa!
Picture of how to fix it, because I'm going to do a pothole thing. Throttle repair. We repaired it earlier with a piece of wood, and this morning it doesn't turn quite right, so now it's taking it apart, fixing it, and continuing on. It's only supposed to turn a little bit. But I'm worried about making it worse by doing that. Picture with the hole. Which one's got the most wood and duct tape shown? We gotta have drama here. We want drama.
We're off to a rough start. First had to fix the throttle. Now Hein decided to break off Dave's choke. Can't ask him anything. Ask him to fix something and then he breaks it. Sometimes you think you just want to fix something.
He just wants to fix more.
You get a craving of fixing stuff and then
craving. That's what it is. A craving, like for chocolate candy bars
and beer.
I want to fix another thing.
Oh, look what he's going to do now, Dave. He's going to rip.
My goodness, look what he's doing.
You're not going anywhere today. There's easier ways of getting rid of Dave, Hein.
There is?
Yeah.
Like what?
Leave him in behind with at least a running...
Oh, now he done cut something. That hurt.
Tightness to it.
So
Pull
this
it out.
just goes in spare parts.
You can make a necklace out of it. You want duct tape? Bike just might not start now at all. Oh, look at that! You got a throttle, you got a choke.
Taking the fuel line out so that I can lift the tank to get the spares out under the tank.
What space?
Front disc pads for a start.
What happened to the front discs?
It's just wear and tear, but it's all the mud and things screwed them up a bit. The problem we have, pads doesn't fit, they don't go in there. So we'll make a plan there, get a grinder, custom them, hope they work, and then we can smile again and keep driving.
What are we doing? Oh shit!
We tried bush camping. There's no place on the highway for more than 100 meters where there's not a house. A hotel, cheap accommodation. Our budget is out. We've got no ATM machines. Visa signs up everywhere, but nothing's working. We're cooking in the only fireproof environment in this room. Yeah, pasta and sauce it is tonight.
Okay.
Here we are in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, chasing visas again. Went to the Sudan embassy in Nairobi, and the 2 South African guys got it, no problem. Their embassy was wonderful. I failed. My embassy wouldn't help me, and they wanted stuff I couldn't get. So now we're in Ethiopia, Addis, at another capital at a country in Africa, where once again, the 3 of us, we went to the Sudanese embassy, and there, when I presented my passport, they asked that I must have my Egyptian visa before they'll give me my Sudan visa. So next step is off to Egypt embassy and see what lies there for us to get. Okay, here we are again. We just got back from the Egyptian embassy. At the Egyptian embassy, for the South African guys, 3 days for them to get their visa, no problem. For me, we walked in, there's a big sign in the window that says 15 working days for somebody from the United States or Canada to get their Egyptian visa. So now we're not feeling very good because I'm looking at 15 working days. That's 1, 2, 3 weeks. We're really gonna throw our schedule back, figure out what to do in the future, next couple of months ahead to make up a little bit of time. And now we have to wait, chasing visas for Sudan.
Smile. Finally we can leave. 4.5 weeks.
No, we can't get through packing's a problem.
Do you want to spend another night, Dave? Should we just
Packing job.
stay another night?
Found my darn shoes. How many bottles of water we got each?
4.
4.
Yeah, no, how many do you have?
Well, I've got 3. This makes 4, so we have 1 more.
That's Ian's.
Somebody's missing.
So when you're done, you keep these bikes and you give them back to whoever's donated.
We stretch time. Snare drum pass, wicked sins. Faster than the speed of light. And we don't look too guilty. We don't crave too much.
We're trying to go to some World Heritage site. We tried to go to scooters, but the scooters won't go up the hills. Now we're trying to run before the daylight fades away, so we can see. We don't even know what the name of the place is. Oh, well, I saw on the board it said World Heritage Site, 1 kilometer up a hill, and that's it right there. And last night we couldn't find any cheap hotel or accommodation. We ended up bush camping here. On top of the hill there is a old castle built in 1562 by St. George. No, I'm joking, I don't know who built it. Never walked up there all the way, it was quite far. We were having supper, bread with peanut butter and honey. All of a sudden 4 guys appeared out of the darkness. 2 of them carrying AK-47s, claiming they were the police. So after about half an hour of trying to speak to them, not a word of English, explained to them they were only going to stay here for the night, and after 2 phone calls to somebody, they eventually said it was okay. Now hopefully today we'll hit the Sudan border, and hopefully there won't be any issues again, and then we can go into the desert where it's hot.